Okay, well, I'm in Naples for a conference, and of course I brought my camera and tripod with me, and I'm making my way to it's part of the beach here in Naples that has some old pilings in the water going out to the horizon. And so I'm going to head down there, see if I can get some good long exposure shots as the sun sets. Fingers crossed. Okay, well, I think I've got a pretty good setup as far as composition goes. The sunset's going to be just beyond these pilings here, and hopefully I get some great colors in the sky. I'm going to go for a very long exposure, so I've got my 10-stop neutral density filter on the camera, and I'm using a graduated filter as well to darken the sky a bit and balance out the scene. And when the sun really goes down, I probably go out to about 3 minutes and really smooth out that water.